Alright, this is the real reason why you can't get commercial cleaning contracts.
Headed to the top, ain't none of y'all stopping me. Used to say I never get a ring, Charles Barkley. Now I got a wife, got kids, own property. Bubble-eyed beans that look like that be watching me. Okay, I lied about the beans, but that was hard though. I'm still in that black act, but she starred though. Cause that's all it takes. Don't flash it for. I'm on my grind, not no more fashion.
Let me tell you, I am AJ Simmons, the founder of Clean Biz Network, and I am the cleaning business GOAT. And this is why you can't get commercial cleaning contracts. And it's very, very simple.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Y'all scared. It's because you have limiting beliefs. I mean, simple as that. Y'all scared. Y'all scared to go open your mouth. Y'all scared to talk to people that's dressed up. Some of y'all scared to talk to white people. Period. Simple as that. Y'all scared to talk to these white people. Y'all scared to walk into these businesses. That's why y'all settle for house cleaning contracts, Airbnbs, move outs, which ain't nothing wrong with that. If that's your thing, do your thing. There are $1 million companies that operate in those spaces. But a lot of y'all really only do that because y'all scared to come do the commercial stuff. Stop being scared, man. I'm motivated right now. I'm gonna tell you something. Somebody just posted a video inside the group. Shout out to her. We're going to interview her later, but right now we gotta preserve her story. But she said some key things in that video that she posted inside the Clean Biz Network. So I want to share this because she motivated me. She said this, right? So she ordered Clean Biz Starter Kit a while ago, right? And inside with it, when she got the equipment, all of that came in, then she took the online course that comes with it. And so she going through it, and then she seen me like showing them how to measure the building, walking through all that type of stuff. And then she said she kind of just got scared and was like, man, I ain't doing all of this. I can't do this, but I can do this house stuff. So she went out, she built a house cleaning business and all of that, right? But I'm hearing that part, I'm like, damn, I bet you she not the only one that did that. You know what I mean? Like, y'all be so nervous, so scared, thinking that, oh, it's harder to get commercial. But you never even actually tried. You know what I mean? It's just your belief system that make you think that, oh, I can't get that, but I can get this though. Stop, like, cut that shit out. Cut it out. Y'all so scared to walk in these buildings and talk to these people in dress up clothes, but y'all won't talk to them, but y'all get out here and be ready to fight all out in the street and shit. You know what I mean? Y'all confront the hell out of the person that you say you love in a relationship and shit. Y'all do all of this stuff to family members. I mean, all of these people, but you won't talk to a fucking professional, a business professional in the building. Why? Stop. I spoke to another person. I won't name your name, but when you see this, I know you watch all of my videos, so shout out to you. But he's in CBN as well. I had a consultation with him yesterday. And he one thing he has done for a while is he blames his locality. He says, I'm just in a bad area. I'm just in a bad area. Stop. There are no bad areas. I guarantee you there is a cleaning company in your area that's winning. And if it can be done, that means that you can do it. Simple as that. If there's a company out there that's getting contracts in your area, that means it's possible to get them. So stop trying to blame the area. You ain't in no bad area. All right. And if it really is that bad, I'll tell you what, move. Move, fuck it, move, get the fuck up and move, just like I did. Ain't nothing wrong. We have free reign all over. Like, you can do what the fuck you want. We live in a free country. Do as you please. And I ain't trying to get all into politics and shit. Don't get political with me. Don't get all technical with me. Bottom line is, you can take your money, you can pack up, you can get in a car, or you can get on a flight and you can go. Simple as that. Now, I mean, this ain't a communist country. This ain't socialism. None of that. You have freedom to do what the fuck you want. Go get it and stop being scared. Cut it out. Y'all can get these fucking contracts. Y'all just scared. And now, like, I'm just listening to it. I'm like, hey, you know what? Let me just go ahead and holler at y'all right quick. Simple and plain as this. Stop being scared. All right. And if you want me to hold your hand, I told you I got a program for that now. It's called the 1010 program. Go to 1010program.com. And you want to sign up. You want one-on-one mentorship from me? Fine, I got you. I'll walk you straight through the whole process. Every walkthrough you get, I'm gonna help you put the proposal together. Every bid you do, I'm gonna help you price it. Cold calling, you scared to call, I'm gonna make you cold call and ride you, and I'm gonna watch you cold call, all of that. If that's what you want, right? 1010 program, but that ain't cheap because now you're taking my time and I'm trading my time for money, which I ain't never done since I had jobs, right? I do systems. I put systems in place so I don't gotta do no work, right? But fine, if y'all want me one-on-one, I got you, all right? But now, if you don't need all of that, join Clean Biz Network. Just go to www.cleanbiznetwork.com and join us there for the group coaching. It's a lot more affordable. But the bottom line is this, y'all. If you can't get commercial cleaning contracts because simply you ain't taking the action, you scared. Simply, you scared to step outside of your comfort zone. You scared to say no, hear no. Somebody tell you, no, we don't want you. You scared to get, I mean, you cold call a business and they won't pick up for you. You scared for them to laugh at you if you say something dumb. You scared to look dumb? It's okay. Look dumb. Ask dumb questions. Make mistakes. Get out here, but try shit. The more you try shit, the better you're gonna get. The more you're gonna learn. Simple as that. And trust me, I'm speaking from experience. I had to buy 3 different franchises before I realized it was finally possible for me too to get commercial cleaning contracts on my own without a franchise. Y'all know I was with all 3 of the big 3 franchises before: Janet King, Coverall, and Jam Pro. All of them. All right. And then it finally took for me to actually work for them one time to realize, dang, you know what? I ain't got to take this shit no more. You know what I mean? Not only do I not have to take it, but let me tell everybody else they ain't got to take it no more either. You know what I mean? You don't have to settle for the middleman. And guess what? Let's just say, all right, bam, you still scared to take that jump too. Subcontract for somebody else. Get out here, find these other companies. If you in Clean Biz Network, make a post in Clean Biz Network and say, hey, I'm in so-and-so area. I'm looking to partner with somebody, or I'm looking to subcontract for somebody. Anybody got any opportunities in whatever area that you in? But do the work, y'all. Pick up the phone, go door to door, buy leads, make it happen. Stop bullshitting. You ain't got no commercial cleaning contracts because you bullshit. Simple as that. You scared to make that jump. You scared to walk into buildings. You want to stay in your comfort zone, well, do that then. But that's what it is. I'm AJ Simmons. I am the Cleaning Business GOAT. If you want to join us, y'all to join Clean Business Network, go to www.cleanbusinessnetwork.com. Simple as that. It got coaching. We got business software for you to run your whole cleaning company, from the operating to the sales to all of that. Comes with the Clean Business Network software. All right. If you get to Clean Business Network website, you're like, hold up. Costs a little too much for me. I ain't quite ready for all of that. But I just need something to calculate the jobs, do the proposals, the basics, right? Then go to my other app, the Calculated Clean. Go to www.calculatedclean.app, and then you can join that one. That one got a free trial, and then it's only $49 a month if you want to join that one. All right. And then if you want me one-on-one, holding your hand with me every single week, go to 1010program.com, and obviously that will gonna cost the most because you're getting me directly one-on-one. CBN is group coaching, plus the software, plus the private Facebook group where you networking with everybody. If you get 1010, you automatically in CBN anyway, though. You get all the other stuff that CBN membership would have got you. But that's what it is, y'all. I'm AJ Simmons, founder of the Clean Business Network. I'm out of here. Stop being scared. Go get this fucking money.